Urusakata. I always heard that mermaids shouldn't sing, but now I really hear it.
Cool, look, an octopus.
No, Puffin, that is a squid. You can tell by the fins and extra tentacles. See, now that is an octopus.
Oh, Nanny, I am a seabird. How did I not know this?
Tsuni?
Whoa!
What's going on? Why do you have a cape? Where can I get a cape? I don't think you should be able to wear a cape if you didn't bring capes for everyone. Why do we all have capes?
Here, I hope you know how to use this.
I do not, but I'm eager to learn. Tsuni, what is happening?
It has begun. Mermaid songs cause ocean insanity and summon the great Kraken who will destroy us all. That's why we never sing.
You really should be more upfront about that information. You probably shouldn't even come to karaoke.
I always thought that mermaid song stuff was a myth. But separately, you're a terrible singer.
Mean, but true. The Kraken. I must now face the Kraken in an epic battle for the fate of the world.